On September 10th, the Serpente project, led by Rotaract Alumni Mora, gathered over 100 enthusiasts at Sri Vijayarama in Piliyandala. Their mission was to demystify snakes and highlight their important role in our ecosystem. Through interactive workshops and expert presentations, Serpente dispelled myths and shared essential insights about these often misunderstood creatures. Participants even had the opportunity to explore snake habitats, gaining a new appreciation for those elegant animals. This project inspired a new generation of environmental stewards, leaving a lasting impact. It primarily addresses Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 15, Life on Land, 4, Quality Education, and 13, Climate Action, aligning with the Rotary focus area of supporting the environment. Thanks to everyone involved, we are one step closer to a world where understanding and harmony with nature thrive.